Hello, kiddos. My old friends, I'd like you to read to me again. Here's what I want you to do. Find a favorite book, a just right book, one that's not too easy and not too hard. Introduce your book, and then you're going to take a picture of at least one page with words on the whole page, maybe 2 pages. And then you're going to record yourself reading over those pages so that I can hear you read with expression. I can hear you read for each character, maybe even with a different voice. You're going to wow me. I'm going to listen to you stop for punctuation, and I'm going to listen for all the good things that you do to make your writing sound super smooth and not bumpy, but smooth and exciting, like sing-songy, so your voice is going up and down, and not like this, not like a monotone robot. No robots here, please. All right? I can't wait to hear you read. Here's some more instructions. So, if it was me, I would say, my name is Christy, and hi, Mrs. Libby. My name is Christy, and I'm going to read Yasmin the Explorer to you. Chapter 1, Ancient Maps. One afternoon, Yasmin sat reading with Baba. A long time ago, explorers used big paper maps to find their way, Baba said. What's an explorer? Asked Yasmin. Someone who discovers new places, an adventurer, Baba said. Yasmin looked at the maps in Baba's book. There were straight roads and curvy roads. There were lakes and rivers and forests. I want to be an explorer, she said. Well then, the first thing you'll need is a map, Baba replied. Thanks for listening. Ciao, ciao.